Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about MXC Global. So MXC Global is a crypto trading platform where it has the lowest fees and you can earn high profits. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And also I will leave a referral link in the description where you can sign up using my link to MXC Global. So let's start with this video. So this MXC Global has the lowest fees. As you can see, it is 0% fees for spot maker and taker fees. So if you want to buy and sell cryptos, there is no fees that is associated with them. And if you want to do trading, so the maker fee is 0% and the taker fee is 0.02%. So this is a very minimal fee that this exchange is offering right now. And if you see this, you can also earn some additional bonus tokens. So these are basically future bonus, like this is only for trading. Now if we go down and wait for it to load, I don't know, it's facing some issues. Let me try to refresh it. Okay, now if you see, it's showing get 20 USDT when you make a first transfer of 2000 USDT. And then there are more methods as to how you can get USDT. Like once you transfer 500 more USDT, then you get 10 USDT and 300. And if you do your first futures trade, then you get 5 USDT. So you can complete all of this task and you can start earning free USDT on this platform. But for that, you will need to put in money in the MEX Global in USDT and start your futures trading, which is this. And then there is spot. So if you open spot meaning basically you can buy and sell very quickly on this platform. So we'll wait for it to load. Now this one is BTC USDT. So you can buy BTC, buy or sell BTC. So if you see this one BTC, if I click on this, the price is 30,388 USDT. Okay, so this is the price that would be required to buy one BTC. Now let's take an example, because we are here on limit. Let's take an example. If you want to buy this Bitcoin at $30,000, then you simply go ahead and press on buy BTC. So wait for the BTC price to fall down. So I will simply put one here because since there is no available USDT, that's why it's not showing BTC balance. If we go in the market, what will this do is it will straight away buy at the price which is currently in the market for Bitcoin, and the BTC balance will immediately reflect in your wallet, which is over here. Now if we go back again, and this is futures, guys, if you're an experienced trader, then go with leverage, but I would strongly advise this to not to go with leverage, because 200x leverage is very high. Even with a small fluctuation you can end up making huge losses. So there are two types of future trading basically. I will explain you in some time. Now the top futures over here, if you see, is BTC, USDT, Ethereum, XRP, ID, and Dogecoin. And if we go down and check the new listings, so there are a lot of new tokens that are getting listed on MEXC every day. If we go ahead and see this, see the number of coins. As per coin market cap, it's showing 1568, but it's more than 1600 now. And if you see the weekly visits over here, it's close to 2.5 million active users in this. So yes, it's one of the biggest platform. And if we go over here again once again and wait for it to load, and then they have this join MXC community today, so you can follow their Twitter handle and Telegram group. And they also have this MXC app where you can download it on Apple or Google Play Store. If you see this, Now we go to the trade thing again once again, and if we see, because there is no balance currently in my MXC account, that's why it's not showing. Else, if you buy some certain position, it will show over here. So this would be a trading pair that would reflect over here. For some reason, it's showing me some network error. I don't know why. And if we go, we have already seen this future bonus, and then they also have this MEXC VIP center. So they have this 1 is to 1 24/7 VIP service, 10 plus exclusive right, and they have certain VIP level and key benefits. Now, if we see this, for a premium VIP, your total assets should be above 2 million USDT to unlock premium. So they get some exclusive trading fee, some VIP icon, 24-hour customer service. So there are a lot of things once you become a VIP member. They also have this gold VIP, which is like 300,000 US dollars to unlock, and then they have diamond VIP, which is a mil. Now, if we go over here on the main site, and if you see, they have these trade options. So first is the spot, and then they also have this leveraged EFTs. If we go in futures, so they have these coins, USDT M. M always reflects for coins which are held in futures wallet. These coins are used for trading. So basically, if you have USDT in your spot wallet, then you need to convert this into futures wallet and start trading. Now there is also April futures competition which is going on with a total price of 5 million USDT, and you can go ahead and click on register over here. So the registration closes in 3 days 11 hours, and there are already 15,173 number of participants, and the price pool unlocked is 1 million USDT for now. So as the number of participants increase, like let's say if it crosses 30,000 number of participants, then it will be 2 million. So it goes up to 60,000 plus, which is 5 million USDT. And they have this event timeline, eligibility, eligible trading pairs, and there are some rewards history. Now they also have this daily lucky draw that is happening. So basically, you need to spin a wheel and you get some bonuses over here. If you see, this is the wheel, but for this you will need to first register, put in some money and start trading, and then you will be eligible for this wins. So they also have this reward distribution rules over here. So let's go back, and they also have this demo trading account. If you are new to trading, then you can click over here and trade. So the advantage of MXC Global is you don't need to have KYC. I think it's up to 20 bitcoins. Anything above 20 bitcoin, you will need to do the KYC. And this MXC Global Exchange also have a high liquidity, so you don't have to worry about your funds being stuck in the sell pool. Now we have seen already most of these things. Now they also have Ethereum upgrade future giveaway. So a lot of tokens are listed over here, and they keep listing every day. If we go in wallet, there is nothing in my wallet as of now because I've just signed in yesterday. I got an invitation from them yesterday, and let's see for it to load. So again, it's showing get 1,000 bonus. This is the general overview. Once you have some cryptos in spots, futures, fiat, margin, quantitative, then the funds will reflect here in USDT. Now let's take an example. If you only have one Bitcoin, then close to $30,300 will reflect over here. So basically, all the cryptocurrencies are not converted, but their value is converted into USDT and it reflects over here. Now you also have, like, let's say if you want to see the balance in BTC, then it will convert all the currency cryptocurrencies value to in terms of BTC current pricing, and it will reflect over here. And then this is how the asset allocation works. As I told you, there is no balance over here. That's why it's showing zero for me now. And you can individually click on it, and if you see this again, the maker and the taker fee is pretty less, and there are a lot of tokens over here in future. So basically you can transfer, trade, and some of the tokens only have the option of transfer with no trading. If you click on spot, it's showing zero fee, so basically you can buy and sell without paying a single dollar or single cent to MXC Global, which is a good thing. And then they have this fiat meaning basically your own currency, where you can buy directly all the cryptos, and then they have this transaction history as to what all transactions you have done. They also have this learn platform where you can, if you are new to crypto, you can learn a lot of things. They also have this video tips and tutorials, market insights. So overall it's a good platform. We have seen this April's future competitions already. You can see your orders over here. Like if we have ordered, maybe place some orders in limit, then it will show over here. Or even if the transaction is completed, then it will show over here. And then I think this is, you can also change the language. So there are a lot of languages over here: English, Russian, Turkey, Indonesian. You can change it. So this is all about MXC Global Trading Platform, and it's one of the best trading platform with the lowest fees. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you, and hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.